Welcome once again. Let's draw this in 2D drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's get the dimension and then we start. So from this side we are seeing a circle here having a diameter of 20, the same thing here, and looking at this side too, there's another outer circle, okay, of radius 20. The interval at the center to center distance is shown up here. It's 130 millimeters, and there is an arc over here with radius 100. So all the four arcs are having the same radius, and this you can see there's an arc here, inner and outer arc, also having a radius of 7.5, and this also having the outer one having a radius of 12.5. And the center distance from this place to this place is 50, from here to here is 30, and here to here is 50. So let's start with this radius 20 and diameter 20. Okay, so you open the AutoCAD and you take center radius. You have a radius of 20. You zoom out, and then center diameter of also 20. Okay, so select it and then copy, and then the center to center distance, if you check, is 130 shown up here. So we will enter 130. Before that, make sure it's vertical, okay, it's horizontal, sorry. So 130, then you press enter. Good. Now that we have it, let's try and draw these ones. Now looking at this, you can see I'll draw this arcs first with a radius of 12.5, okay, 12.5, and here to 7.5. So let's do that. So circle, radius, you can click anywhere, 12.5, and then circle, radius again, 7.5. So 7.5. Okay, so now if you look at the distance between these two, it's actually 30 shown up here. So we'll copy, use your shortcut CO, press enter, click anywhere, drag it, enter 30. Okay, so that's what you have it. But if you check the distance from this place to that of this place, you can see it's 50. Okay, so what we can do is can select this one and then move it. So shortcut M, and then click from here, then you right click, then you take from, and click this center. Now drag it to this side, enter 50. Okay, so you see it to be here. So you can copy this one as well, or you can, let's move it rather, move, and then also right click from here, then go 30. Okay, so now you can see they are all, it's in line now with this one, but it's going upward. The distance, center to center distance, is 80, so we can move up 40 from this side. So select all of them, select move, click up, go up, enter 40. Okay, now let's draw a line from quadrant to quadrant, or before that you can even copy this one, copy, bring it down 80. Okay, all right, so let's now add a line. So select line from quadrant to quadrant, select line again from quadrant to quadrant. Now you can mirror this, click the mirror command, select no. The same way you can mirror this one as well. Use the shortcut MI, press enter, locate the center, click. Okay, so select no. from this place we can copy this line and then move it from here to this side. Okay, move this one to this side. The same way you can copy this line, CO for copy, then click here, add it to this, and then add it to this side. Now we have to trim, so TR, press enter, shortcut. Let's trim the unwanted lines that we don't need. Okay, so you can see we have the rectangle over here. So what is remaining now is this arc with radius of 100. So we can easily use the tan radius. Let's go here, select the tan radius. Now click the circle and click this one, enter a radius of 100. You see, now trim TR and click this one. Now select this and then mirror it. So let's mirror, locate the center, click, say no. Now select this and this and mirror it to this side. Okay, say no. Okay, so we have to trim the inner arcs, the lines we don't need. This one must go, this one must go. Okay, so you can see the work is neatly done. This what is expected of us, nice and neatly done. You can increase the line width and then you give dimension. So I'll create a layer for my dimension and give it a name and change the color of my layer as well. So I'll use, let me use this color. Okay, and then change the line width. I'll use 0.25. So from here we can choose linear and dimension from here to here first. Let's first make this layer active. So choose linear, dimension from here to this side. You can see it's 80. The same way linear from here to here, you can see it's 30. Alright, then linear again from this center to this center is 50. Linear again from here to here is 50, and then the overall distance from this point to this point is giving us 130. Okay, let me take radius for this 20, then let me choose diameter for the inner circle 20, then I'll pick radius for this side, which is, let me bring it down, let me dimension it here. It's picking the other one, it's picking the arc instead of, okay, so this radius again for this. Okay, so you can see nice and neatly done, but they look very small. Okay, so just increase it a little bit, go to manage dimension style, click on modify, and then this is the arrow and the symbol and the arrow. So the arrow and the symbol, let's make it 5, and then text, the text also showing, let's make it like 6 and close it. Alright, so now it's a little bit visible. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video for more tutorials and projects like this in AutoCAD. See you in my next tutorial.